Hello everybody, it's B6stellergy time. Now, you're in for a treat because, well actually, I had pre-planned this because I wasn't sure what was going to happen with the tennis. So this is the week that was, so this was the 30th. So then I set up a blank page. And I did my to-do, my overview list, just like I do every other week. And then I put in the February map, so I set up for February. So now what I did this time was I actually printed the calendar on sticker paper. So it was just went in, and then I just put coffee washi around it. All right, and then I've put in my inspiration. So normally what I did in January was, let's have a look. I did the calendar and something. So I did, the little mini calendar, the little saying, and then the overviewed calendar. Well, this time I've done the calendar on sticker paper, and I did this. I am so grateful and happy and grateful now that I am intelligent, successful, and ambitious. I have perfection within me. And so again, that's on sticker paper. And then I printed out a little February. Again, on sticker paper, printed it out. And I backed it on with some other paper around there. And then I've just put random stickers on there. And I know that washi is from Simply Gilded. So that is my February setup. But what I wanted to do was show you the plan with me. So I used the See Amy Draw coffee kit. So this is the 31st of January. And then we head into the 1st of February. So we've got that. Now what was unique about this one is I had a highlight of my day. I got some new bedding that arrived, so that was pretty good. So we've got Wednesday again. It's all the coffee themed. That's an extra that I put in. Coffee themed. This is Friday. Saturday, life is short, talk fast. So true. And Sunday. Now this was one of the stickers from the, this is a jumbo coffee morning. I need coffee and an IV, so that's for Sunday. Now because that finished odd and I needed to start the next week, I just put in a little journaling card that says life is good. And then we go into next week, which will be all explained at a later date because I, again, pre-planned that. And next week takes on a different format that I'm trying to see which one I like. So, as you can see, this is still the date on the left with appointments and stuff on the left-hand side and the to-do list on the right. There aren't many ticks either. It's just been one of those weeks. I've got the full list here. I've got the overview list, and I've got medication, and I've got a reminder here to hydrate and dominate. I do like the fact that the paper or the calendar has printed out on sticker paper. I think it looks really, really cool. Again, we can just put random stickers on there just to decorate it. It's because this is really going to just be really short because there's nothing much more to say other than to show you what I've done, which I'm really proud of. So as I said, I did that. So there's a tab at the top, and I've used the Simply Gilded foiled bows as tabs for the last few weeks, and as you know, tabs. So that was last week. I can't remember if I showed you last week. I think I did. Again, that was using no kit. That was odds and ends, so of stuff that I had left over. And this arrived, I wanted to put that in somewhere. And I thought it would be a really good start just to end January, put it in for February. I mean, I could have done the calendar and then, or I could have done the 31st and then put the Year of the Tiger, but this way I've still got the week continuing without too much fuss or ado. So yeah, so this is February. I get my university timetable I've just returned back to my freight handling job, and yeah, everything is coming back slowly. I should be back to work, my teaching work in the next few weeks as well, and then everything is back to normal. Now what I wanted to show you, oh no, it's not in this one, it's in my other one. So this is my Mums and Bubs B6 holder, which fits really nicely. And what I've done at the moment is I've put the two Simply Gilded notebooks in the back because I've got room. Don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but we will see. All right. So anyway, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and you'll see a January planner flip shortly.